Hello, class. Welcome to the ultimate general knowledge quiz. We've got 100 brain-teasing questions lined up for you. Think fast because you'll only have 3 seconds per question. Keep track of your score and challenge your friends. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. In what country would you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italy. Number 2. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Number 3. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. Number 4. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Number 5. What famous rock band was led by Freddie Mercury? Queen. Number 6. What is the largest species of big cat? The tiger. Number 7. What is the largest desert in the world? The Antarctic Desert. Number 8. Who wrote The Great Gatsby? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Number 9. In which U.S. state is the Grand Canyon located? Arizona. Number 10. What type of pasta is shaped like little rice grains? Orzo. Number 11. What planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Number 12. What year was the first iPhone released? 2007. Number 13. What's the national flower of Japan? Cherry blossom, sakura. Number 14. What is the deepest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. Number 15. What's the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas. Number 16. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? O. Number 17. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Tinker Bell. Number 18. Who painted Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh. Number 19. Who is known as the King of Pop? Michael Jackson. Number 20. What's the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Number 21. Who was the first U.S. president to appear on television? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Number 22. What country is famous for inventing pizza? Italy. Number 23. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Number 24. What is the name of the longest-running Broadway show? The Phantom of the Opera. Number 25. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese sushi? Rice. Number 26. What city is home to the famous Christ the Redeemer statue? Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Number 27. Which animated movie features a character named Woody? Toy Story. Number 28. What does VPN stand for? Virtual Private Network. Number 29. What does www stand for in a website address? World Wide Web. Number 30. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Number 31. What company created the first ever video game console? Magnavox. Number 32. What year did the United States declare independence from Britain? 1776. Number 33. What is the capital of France? Paris. Number 34. What's the longest river in the world? The Nile. Number 35. What element has the atomic number 1? Hydrogen. Number 36. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. Number 37. What U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Number 38. What type of rock is formed from cooled lava? Igneous rock. Number 39. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee. Number 40. What social media platform was originally launched as a photo-sharing app in 2010? Instagram. Number 41. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989. Number 42. What's the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Number 43. What gas do humans exhale? Carbon dioxide. Number 44. What is the only U.S. state made up entirely of islands? Hawaii. Number 45. What famous theory is Albert Einstein known for? Theory of relativity. Number 46. What is the square root of 64? 8. Number 47. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. Number 48. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart. Number 49. What is the value of pi rounded to 2 decimal places? 314. Number 50. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle. Number 51. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates on its side? Uranus. Number 52. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Number 53. Who wrote Frankenstein? Mary Shelley. Number 54. What is the largest bone in the human body? Femur, thigh bone. Number 55. What Shakespeare play features the character Ophelia? Hamlet. Number 56. What famous speech begins with 7 years ago? The Gettysburg Address. Number 57. How many sides does a hexagon have? 6. Number 58. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum. Number 59. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU for aurum. Number 60. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Number 61. In which U.S. state is the Grand Canyon located? Arizona. Number 62. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Number 63. What is the longest-running animated TV show in the U.S.? The Simpsons. Number 64. What country is home to the Great Pyramid of Giza? Egypt. Number 65. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Number 66. What is the main ingredient in traditional miso soup? Fermented soybean paste. Number 67. Who discovered gravity after seeing an apple fall? Isaac Newton. Number 68. What does USB stand for? Universal Serial Bus. Number 69. What famous structure was built as a tomb for Emperor Shah Jahan's wife? The Taj Mahal. Number 70. What do bees collect to make honey? Nectar. Number 71. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Number 72. How many letters are in the English alphabet? 26. Number 73. What is the most widely consumed drink in the world after water? Tea. Number 74. Who directed the Titanic movie? James Cameron. Number 75. What does AI stand for in computing? Artificial intelligence. Number 76. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Number 77. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. Number 78. What country is the birthplace of reggae music? Jamaica. Number 79. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Number 80. What ocean borders the east coast of the United States? The Atlantic Ocean. Number 81. What's the largest island in the world? Greenland. Number 82. What year did the Titanic sink? 1912. Number 83. What is the name of the wizarding school in Harry Potter? Hogwarts. Number 84. What's the formula for water? H2O. Number 85. What was the first animal to be cloned successfully? A sheep named Dolly. Number 86. Who was the main author of the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Number 87. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Number 88. What's the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Number 89. Who was the first U.S. president? George Washington. Number 90. What does NASA stand for? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Number 91. Solve for x when 5x minus 10 equals 0. X is 2. Number 92. Who played Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Robert Downey Jr. Number 93. What's the largest organ in the human body? The skin. Number 94. What country has the most spoken languages? Papua New Guinea. Number 95. What company developed the Android operating system? Google. Number 96. In Greek mythology, who is the king of gods? Zeus. Number 97. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? A lizard. Number 98. What famous novel features the character Atticus Finch? To Kill a Mockingbird. Number 99. What musical instrument has 88 keys? Piano. Number 100. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more brain-boosting challenges. See you in the next one.